Could Earth stare down a catastrophic event as early as 2029? As we delve into this question, it's essential to remember that our planet has been playing a cosmic game of dodgeball with asteroids since its inception. In the spotlight for today's discussion is the asteroid Apophis, a mammoth space rock measuring around 1,100 feet. This celestial body once carried a 2% chance of colliding with Earth in 2029, a scenario that would have resulted in an energy release 50 times the Tunguska blast and 60 times the Tsar Bomba explosion. Imagine the raw power of 1.2 gigatons of TNT, equivalent to 10 to 100 times the energy of the meteor crater creating impact. But before panic sets in, let's take a breath. Recent advancements in space science have allowed us to breathe a sigh of relief. After thorough radar observations and refined calculations of Apophis's orbit, NASA ruled out this impending doom. The renowned space agency has reassured us that there is no risk of an asteroid-induced apocalypse in 2029 or even in 2068. In fact, NASA has removed Apophis from its asteroid risk list, effectively giving Earth the all-clear signal for the next 100 years. However, the universe is vast, and space is replete with potentially hazardous objects. The comet Swift-Tuttle, the parent body of the Perseid meteor shower, for instance, poses a potential threat in the year 4479. This underscores the importance of observational identification with well-characterized trajectories to enact mitigation plans. In conclusion, the year 2029 won't see Earth in a face-off with asteroid Apophis, thanks to the tireless efforts of our scientists. But the universe is brimming with unknowns, and our cosmic dodgeball game is far from over. The only catastrophe-free solution to potential asteroid impacts lies in detection and prevention, a task that requires relentless vigilance and advancement in space science.